stop scrolling. Tomorrow's market will not be normal. If you're one of those people who says, I'll see what happens tomorrow, then consider this your final warning. Because the market never moves after sending out an invitation. It always makes its biggest moves when most people are confused, silent, or way too confident. And tonight, the market is standing in exactly that zone. Tomorrow morning, everything will probably look normal on the surface, but underneath, the pressure has been building for days. The headlines are quiet. The so-called experts are speaking in neutral tones. And most retail investors are just stuck, waiting for a clear signal. This is precisely the environment where explosive moves are born. Just remember one golden rule of the market. When everyone thinks nothing is going to happen, that's exactly when everything happens. Right now, the market mood is a mix of danger and opportunity. There's no extreme fear, but there's no extreme greed either. And this is the most dangerous combination possible. Why? Because the weak hands have already sold and left the market. The strong hands are quietly building their positions. And the retail traders are still on the sidelines, waiting for confirmation that never comes. This means tomorrow could be a day of decision, not reaction. Now, let's talk about what the smart money is actually watching. Smart money doesn't read the news headlines. They read the price levels. And right now, key support zones have been tested multiple times. Liquidity pockets have been filled. And the phase of false breakouts is nearly complete. This all points to one thing. The market's true direction is about to become very clear. We'll either see a strong relief rally that catches everyone by surprise, or a sudden flush downwards that shakes out all the weak buyers. So what's the biggest trap waiting for you tomorrow? It's overconfidence. If the market opens green, people will start chasing prices, buying late into the move. Then, a sharp pullback will trigger widespread panic. On the other hand, if the market opens red, fear will spread like wildfire. People will panic sell near the bottom, only to watch in shock as the market reverses and rallies without them. You have to remember, the market's job isn't to make you money. Its job is to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. So, ask yourself honestly, how are you going to feel watching the market tomorrow? Will it be FOMO? Fear? Confusion? Or will you have clarity? If you don't have clarity, the market is ready and waiting to take your money. Tomorrow will test your emotions, not your intelligence. Here are the golden rules for tomorrow. First, do not react to the first move of the day. Second, wait for confirmation. Third, ignore any moves that don't have significant volume behind them. Fourth, define your risk before you even think about the reward. And fifth, let the market prove itself to you. Don't try to guess its next move. The market always gives a second chance, but only to those who have discipline. So, who wins tomorrow? The winners will be those who don't overtrade, who ignore the noise on social media, and who stick to their own trading plan. And who loses? The losers will be those who change their opinion with every new candle, who trade based on other people's signals, and who try to force a trade that isn't there. Hear us the one thing no one ever tells you. Market prediction isn't about telling the future. It's about understanding and managing risk. Even if the market moves against you tomorrow, if you remain in control of your plan and your emotions, you haven't lost. You only truly lose when your emotions take over your plan and your ego becomes bigger than your stop loss. So get ready. Tomorrow, it's not just the price that will move. Some people will learn a valuable lesson. Some will panic, and some will seize the opportunity. But many will be left saying, I knew it, but I didn't take the entry. The only question is, when the market makes its move, will you just be watching the screen, or will you be prepared? The decision is made tonight. The market simply executes it tomorrow. If you want to understand tomorrow's market, first understand your own emotions. Tomorrow can either be a memorable day or a very expensive lesson. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more updates.